guys, so today I have a Zia Records haul. I believe there's two locations in Las Vegas. The one I frequent is off of Charleston and Rainbow, and I love the store. It's a record store. They have CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, like actual records, cassettes, VHS, and they also have like a bunch of like novelty items, like puzzles. My daughter loves the store. They have Funkos. They have like a bunch of stuff. What's cool is you can sell your stuff there too. So this is a haul from a couple of trips. I found a She-Ra Funko. It says Masters of the Universe 38 retro toys. I did see half of the first season of the newer one on Netflix, and I did not like it because I grew up watching the old school one. And she has her sword and her shield. I used to like wannabe She-Ra, and this was $10.99. And then I found three pre-owned horror movies, and I've been trying to get horror lately because I want to do 31 Days of October, and it's August, so I want to start early, and I want to pick movies that like I either haven't seen before or haven't really heard much of. These were all in like their sale bin. So this one is 15 horror movies, and it was $2.99. It features Nightmare Castle with Barbara Steele from 1965, Dementia 13, directed by Francis Ford Coppola, from 1963, Count Dracula and His Vampire Bride. Christopher Lee is in it from 1973. The Last Man on Earth. I love that movie. That one was from 1964. The Pyx, P-Y-X, starring Karen Black, 1973. I saw her in Some Guy Who Kills People, and I heard that she was a horror queen, but I haven't seen anything else that she's been in, so I'm excited to see that. And then Dominique is Dead, starring Cliff Robertson, from 1978. I'm gonna watch that with my daughter. We actually watched the trailer. It looked really goofy. And The Ghost, starring Barbara Steele, from 1963. So I just read off 7 movies, but there's actually 15 in here. So this is one of the DVDs where you turn the disc over for different movies. On the back, that's all they list, but on the front, there's pictures of I Bury the Living, Carnival of Souls, House on Haunted Hill, I've seen that, Night of the Living Dead, I've seen that, and The Undertaker. So 15 older horror movies for $2.99. And then I found Amusement. On the front it says Your Fear, His Amusement. It was marked $6.99 and then was on sale for $1.99. I saw YMS, Your Movie Sucks, review this. He said it was a piece of shit, but I really want to see it. I'm gonna save this for 31 Days of October. And Amusement is from 2007. And then I picked up this one purely for the cover. I thought it looked really cool. Carnivore is marked on sale for $1.99. It says it's from 2002. I have no idea what this is about, but I think it is a creature feature, and I'm not gonna read the back because I kind of want to be surprised. I found 2 VHSs. This is Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I actually had this on DVD, and then I went to watch it and it was all scratched up, so I have to actually pick it up on Blu-ray. This is from 1971. I have a few VHSs that I just have just for collection. I did not care for the remake at all. I feel like Gene Wilder is Willy Wonka, and he just nailed that role. So I got this for 25 cents. Crazy, right? And this is a 2-pack, The Best of I Love Lucy. And I also got this for collection. This is volume 1 and volume 2. They have the 3 most famous, in my opinion, I Love Lucy episodes. Lucy does a TV commercial, which is this one. Job Switching, which is this one. And then Lucy's Italian movie where she like stomps on grapes. It was marked $6.99, and then it was also on sale for $1. Last thing is this book. It is from 2013. But I couldn't pass it up. It was marked $4.99 down to 99 cents. It's Artists and Graphic Designers Market, the most trusted guide to selling your art. So I'm sure it's dated. I used to do vendor shows like selling my handmade jewelry and vintage. I thought there would be good tips in here for artists. So that is what I got from Zia. I definitely recommend the store. If you're in Vegas, like go to Zia. They actually do have like a lot of like horror end caps and like movies that I don't really see. I would never have found this at like Best Buy. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.